project, we're going to need water, milk, and food coloring. We're going to put water in each of these cups. Now we're going to add the milk. Good. We need the color! Yeah! First we're adding our primary color, blue. Let's add a few more drops to our red. These are our primary colors. Blue, yellow, red. Make sure you put your tops back on. Now we're going to make our secondary colors, like brown. Now we're going to add some milk and water to the cups again. We need to add the milk. Red and blue mix. Purple. Let's mix yellow and blue. Green! Yay! Red and yellow mix. Orange. Our secondary colors are purple, green, and orange. Let's add our primary colors and secondary colors together. Whoa! And these are the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Coming up next, Baby Araya will test you on your colors.
Today we're going to be painting with our primary and secondary colors. Serenity, what color is an apple?
Red,
What color is a blueberry?
blue,
What color is a banana?
yellow.
Now let's paint with these colors. This is where we're going to put red, and this is where we're going to put blue, and this is where we're going to put yellow. First color is red. Next color is blue. And last color is yellow. Red plus yellow equals orange. Yellow plus blue equals green. So pretty.
Oh,
More
no.
yellow.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Okay, just mix it.
No.
Oops.
so funny.
No.
It's green. That's so.
Red plus blue equals purple. These are our primary and secondary colors. Red, blue, yellow, orange, green, purple. We're gonna paint red
Yellow.
and blue. My color is blue. My color is red.
My color is yellow.
No.
Need more yellow.
That's alright, keep painting.
To play the bottom.
Yeah. No, not the bottom, not the bottom. Inside. Inside.
Inside.
All done.
All done.
Oh, it's blue. A blue toy.
Oh, it's a red toy.
Yay!
This is his box.
This is my box.
And this is her box.
And this is my box. Hooray!
I got red and purple.
Ooh. Ooh, cool. Whoa.
Hey, I'm gonna get that food.
Sharing is caring, Merman. Give it to Pepe.
I got Bella, Toucan,
Orange squirrel.
And yellow toucan.
I got a blue elephant and I got a green rabbit.
so I cut it.
I have a red lion and a purple duck. No.
Oh no. You got messed up?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh,
It's okay.
I'm gonna
Purple
make
and red now. It's time.
now shake it on table till you feel it comes off. Alright, don't mess it up now.
I messed it up. Bruh. Now I'm gonna make my duck. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
I made Wheel from Teenager Ninja Turtles. I made the duck. I made the duck with some grape and a small sheep.
Cute.
I made the dolphin.
Okay.
I made a girl.
Okay.
I made a ninja turtle.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Alright, what did you create?
I made a flower and some people.
That's nice.
Thanks for learning primary and secondary colors. Thanks for watching. Bye!